Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got some exciting news about Garmin's upcoming Fenix 8 Pro series. Rumor has it that Garmin is preparing to release three new models: the Fenix 8 Pro 47mm, Fenix 8 Pro 51mm, and a Fenix 8 with a new micro LED screen. Let's break down what we know so far. The current Garmin Fenix 8 and Fenix 8 Solar models already pack an impressive range of features, making them popular choices for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. These watches include specialized support for diving, a feature that allows users to track underwater activities with precision, which is particularly useful for divers and swimmers. Additionally, the built-in voice assistant adds a convenient touch to the watch, enabling hands-free control for various functions such as checking the weather, setting reminders, or sending messages. These features make the Fenix 8 series both highly functional and user-friendly, especially for people who enjoy outdoor adventures and sports. However, Garmin seems to be preparing for a big upgrade with its new models in the Fenix 8 lineup. The upcoming Fenix 8 Pro models, which are rumored to come in 47mm and 51mm sizes, are expected to take things to the next level by introducing new internal components. These could improve performance, speed, and battery efficiency. The addition of solar charging capabilities is also a possibility, which would enhance battery life and make the watches even more suitable for long outdoor trips where charging access is limited. The biggest upgrade could be the introduction of a micro LED display in one of the new models. This type of screen offers better brightness, uses less power, and is less prone to burn-in compared to the AMOLED screens found in the current models. This would make the Fenix 8 Pro even more appealing for outdoor use, as the display would remain bright and clear in direct sunlight while consuming less power, helping the battery last longer. In summary, while the current Fenix 8 models are already packed with advanced features, the new releases are expected to raise the bar even higher with better performance, solar charging, and improved display technology. Recent leaks suggest that the new Fenix 8 Pro models might come with updated internal components and possibly even solar charging capabilities. This could mean better performance and longer battery life. But that's not all. One of the most exciting updates is the new micro LED display. The micro LED screen is a major upgrade from the traditional AMOLED screens. It offers better brightness, consumes less power, and has a lower risk of burn-in, which is when images get stuck on the screen. This means a more vibrant and efficient display for users. Now, Garmin hasn't officially announced these new models yet, so we don't have exact release dates or pricing. However, it's expected that these new Pro models will be more expensive than the current Fenix 8, which starts at $999.99. If you're thinking about getting a Fenix 8, it might be a good idea to wait a bit longer to see what these new models have to offer. In today's fast-paced world of technology, staying updated is crucial, especially when it comes to products like Garmin's Fenix 8 series. As new details and rumors about upcoming models surface, it's important for users and fans to keep an eye on the latest developments, with leaks hinting at exciting features like improved internal components, solar charging, and a cutting-edge micro LED display. The anticipation for these new Garmin watches is growing. However, since Garmin hasn't officially confirmed these details, the exact release dates, pricing, and specifications remain uncertain. This is where subscribing to a channel that provides tech updates can be incredibly valuable. By subscribing, viewers ensure they'll get notified as soon as new information becomes available, whether it's an official announcement from Garmin or more leaks about the new Fenix 8 models. This way, they won't miss out on any key updates or exciting news about the features that could influence their buying decisions. Channels that cover tech news provide ongoing content that helps viewers stay ahead of trends, offering detailed breakdowns, comparisons, and hands-on reviews once products are launched. In the case of Garmin's upcoming models, this could mean early access to critical information about performance, pricing, and whether the new features live up to the hype. By subscribing, viewers are making sure they're always in the loop when it comes to the latest tech news, and they'll be among the first to know when Garmin drops official announcements. Staying connected with these updates ensures you won't miss any important news, helping you make informed decisions on whether to invest in the new Fenix 8 models.